Hi, I'm Charlie Hupertz. I work for United Renewable Energy. We're a general contractor in the solar world here. This is one of our sites in Hampshire, Illinois. It's Highway 20 solar. We're doing 7 megawatts of DC power, putting out 5 megawatts to the grid. We've been researching new products for our systems here. We've come across Gripple through our research. The power ties right here, which hold our wires tight to the torque tube. We need to not have any excess hanging because this is a turning system. This is a tracker system. So as the system turns, we have abrasions, etc. on our wires. The same reason we have these bridges here, because these bearing housings, as they move, your wires are going to touch against these sharp edges as well. So it protects our wires, keeps everything tight together, and it allows for the system to work properly and effectively and efficiently.
So United Renewable Energy has been using the power ties on this job site. So they're using these every 2 feet along the torque tube. The main benefits I've seen from them is they are a reusable tie wrap that you just pull the cable through. We have these key releases. You come right back in and you can pull it right back out.
Other products we've used, we've had to crimp each different fastener, each tie, and that just takes too long, allows for mistakes. Whereas these, the plastic protects your wires, pull tight, you can actually loosen them at the same time. The other products are, once they're tightened, and if there's an issue, you just waste the product. We started using this on a few new projects, and based on our experience with it, it's revolutionized the way we do our wire management.